Right now we are standing in Shonpur Bazaar of Bhangar in South 24 Pargana. This is the condition of the prison van which has been totally vandalized by the miscreants. What happened that today there was this rally of ISF in Kolkata, and as per police sources, since situation is not right in Murshidabad, and also since Siddiqullah Chaudhary's program also made Calcutta to stand still. That is the reason for which no permissions are given for any protest march in Kolkata, which is anti-Waqf, for any such issues. So what happened that in this Bhangar area, they were coming from Bhangar to Kolkata, and Bhangar is the stronghold of ISF leader Naushad, who is the MLA of here. He Indian Secular Party, which is a minority dominated party, and there they broke the barricade in the afternoon, and then lathi charge, police resorted to lathi charge, and things went fine after that. But suddenly in the evening, this area again became tense, and as you can see, as we showed, that this is the condition of the prison van. One prison van was stationed here, which is totally vandalized like this, and also stone pelting has taken place. You can see the remnants of all those things, and 5 bikes, as we are coming to know, has been damaged, and also there has been set on fire. The police car has been set on fire. What we are coming to know, that 2 persons have been arrested from the post out here, and since obviously you can see that this is the condition which has this is the condition of the bike out here, which has been set on fire. This is the condition of 5 bikes in total have been damaged here badly, and then all the senior officers of the police and more forces came in, and then the miscreants fled. Now this is a very sensitive situation right now. Right now here the situation is under control, but a huge tension is there. In another part of Bhangar also some protests are going on, some blockades are going on, but 2 people have been arrested. But this was suddenly in the evening, when in the morning the entire barricade was broken, and then police resorted to lathi charge. Things went fine, and suddenly in the evening this thing has happened. All the senior officers and more forces came here, and the situation right now is calm. The situation right now is okay, but this is the condition which says that situation is definitely very, very tense. This is Komalika Sengupta with Anshuman reporting for News 18 from Bhangar.